Tesla drop top tees. We just put the Sila Concepts turbo blanket on 2 days ago, and we pretty much have it broken in. We've driven it 5 or 6 times since then. And I want to show you what you may see underneath your hood after you put on a blanket like this. As you can see, real noticeable up here where it's white. There may be some, yeah, there's some dust up here on top too. All you have to do is wipe it down. Again, it takes a couple heat cycles, 3 or 4, for that to come off. The blanket gets hot a couple times, and you just take a warm, wet cloth and you just wipe off the underside of your hood. And it gets all that dust off of there. I'm going to go over on this side so I can reach through. Again, it's not something the matter with the blanket. That's just part of the breaking in process. You may see more dust, you may see less. You'll probably see at least a little bit. Okay, so that's just a quick look at what you may see underneath the hood after you put on your blanket. Like I said, wait several days, run the car 4 or 5 times, let the blanket break in, and now we shouldn't get any more. Warm, damp cloth, wipe it down, comes right off, good to go. Just wanted to have you see that in case you've never put on a blanket before, so you know what to expect. There you go.